AGCO have been remanufacturing parts for Fendt machines for more than 60 years. Reman offers a quick, no-risk, cost-effective solution equivalent to replacing with new. The same quality, same performance, same specification and the same warranty as new, but typically 30% less expensive. AGCO Reman is a high-technology solution covering a comprehensive range of key parts for your Fendt tractor: engines, transmissions, fuel injection equipment, turbos, electronics, clutch, rotating electrics, cooling and hydraulic parts. When the CVT insert comes to the end of its life, it needs to be replaced quickly. AGCO Reman offers the most reliable and efficient solution to get your machine back to work as quickly as possible. It can simply be exchanged with a remanufactured CVT insert at your dealership, tested, calibrated and guaranteed to work first time. You'll be straight back to work with the peace of mind that comes with a full warranty on all AGCO Reman parts. Every AGCO Reman factory follows the same strict procedures. With Fendt CVTs, the used core is sent to our purpose-built specialist Reman factory in Markt Oberdorf. Remanufacturing is far more than a repair or refurbishment. It is a systematic process to rebuild the CVT insert to the as-new standard, the original manufacturer's specification. First, the insert is stripped down to each individual component part. Wear parts, such as seals and bearings, are discarded and replaced with new. Then every single part is thoroughly cleaned using multi-stage specialist deep cleaning processes. Next, each individual part is meticulously measured against the Fendt engineering specification to determine if it is still within tolerance. Any parts that fall outside of tolerance are replaced with new. This continues for every single component part that makes up the CVT insert. No compromise, no question, no doubt. When every component has been checked and approved, they're put aside ready for the rebuilding process. Fendt expert technicians then select the component parts required and start to rebuild the CVT, always ensuring we stick to the Fendt factory-built specification every step of the way. Specialist tools are required to install and calibrate the high-pressure seals. It is vitally important that these seals fit correctly to ensure long-term reliability. Every AGCO Reman CVT is rebuilt by a dedicated technician to ensure consistency, reliability and quality. Each unit is then put through a rigorous test cycle on the purpose-designed specialist test rig. No one else can offer this level of quality control and assurance. All test results are recorded for quality control procedures, and only when the technician is 100% sure the strict performance standards are met is the CVT packed into purpose-made steel protective boxes ready for transportation. AGCO remanufactures not just the CVT insert, but engines, fuel injection pumps, turbos, electronics, hydraulics, rotating electrics, water pumps and cylinder heads. The end result, a remanufactured unit as good as new, saving you time, money and the environment with AGCO Reman.